I took out the 4 screws, one there, one there, one there, and one there. And with those machine screws out, I was able to remove the entire washer pump off of the wiper motor. Alright, so this is your washer pump, and if you take off that screw and that machine screw and that machine screw, then you can remove this cover plate and you can see the mechanism for the washer pump, which is pretty simple. There's a gear wheel that gets driven right here, right there, and it's driven by, let's see, set this down somewhere. It is driven by that guy right there. So right where my screwdriver's pointing, that goes around and around, and as that spins around and around, that dowel is engaged with this wheel right here for your wiper motor, and it engages right in that U-shaped slot that right now is at the top, but you can spin that around to different positions so that when I install this back on there, I need to make sure that I get that lined up with wherever that one happens to be. If that's pointing straight up, then I need this one to point straight up, and if it's pointing straight down, then straight down. While I'm in here, I'm going to clean all that out really good too for the wiper motor, or for the washer motor. Sorry, this is all washer motor. So for right now, I'm going to set the washer motor aside, because right now I'm troubleshooting the wiper motor one thing at a time. And the first thing I noticed is that it's kind of a mess in there. So I'm going to clean all that out. And the other thing I noticed is I just disconnected my ground. That's got to be grounded right there. You need a good ground with the case. So I need to take one of my machine screws and put it back in there and secure my ground.